Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have come up with some type of rainbow, whatever you want to call it, look. I got some new makeup in today, and so I was really excited to try it out. It is from Mayo, I think that's how you say it, Mayo makeup. It's a whole bunch, I think it's like 10 different pigments that are just like, when I tell you, they are so pigmented and bright. I mean, as you can see, like, these colors are phenomenal. So while I was playing in them today, I was like, well, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and film a look, see what I can come up with. I did not really have much of an inspiration. I just kind of did what I did, and this is what I came up with. So if you want to see how I got this look, make sure to keep watching. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get all the new videos that I have coming out. And also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking now so y'all can get into this look, because I know you're waiting for it. Let's go. Okay, so first I'm going to be using my e.l.f. hydrating primer, and I'm going to place that all over my face. Now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in the shade orange and go ahead and apply that all over my face to color correct. I'm going to go back into that Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going to be using the Tailor-Made Jane method. I'm going to go ahead and contour my face first, then I'm going to apply my foundation, which is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Toasted Wheat, and then I'm going to go in and highlight with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Now, honey, I already know about all the controversy going on with Tarte, but let's be real, the Shape Tape is bomb. Like, it is amazing. So I went ahead and used it. I probably won't be using it for long, but I felt like it would go perfect with this look. So yeah, that's why I used it or whatever. So please forgive me. Tarte, do better. Thanks. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Real Technique setting brush, and I'm going to go ahead and blend out this concealer. Lord, I forgot what it was. This concealer under my eyes, and then I'm going to use a BH Cosmetics blending brush, and I'm going to blend out my foundation, and then I'll go in with a stippling brush and blend out my contour, and then make sure that everything is all blended together so I'm not out here looking crazy. Now, I know this concealer looks a little bit light on me, but honey, I promise it'll be fixed. Just bear with me, okay? Just bear with me. Don't doubt me already. Don't doubt me. I'm going to go in now with my Patrick Star and MAC translucent powder, and I'm going to set all the areas that I highlighted and also some of the areas that I just put foundation in as well. This foundation and concealer is a little shiny, so I want to make sure to set all those areas so I'm not shining all over the places. I don't need that. I don't need to be looking greasy. I'm going to go in now using my Black Radiance Beauty contour palette. This is the powder contour palette in light to medium. This is my favorite powder contour slash bronzing palette. So I'm just going to place this in all the areas that I contoured to bronze up and snatch my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and snatch my nose as well, because, you know, I just got to do it. I'm going to take my favorite blush, which is the Makeup Revolution blush in the shade Fusion, and go ahead and place that all over my cheeks. I usually don't like blush, but I'm going to do it. Now I'm going to take that NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm going to place this all over both of my eyelids to prep for my eyeshadow look. I'm just going to blend this out using that same brush that I blended out that concealer. I'm going to blend this out all over my eyelid so that it's not just cakey or anything on my eyelid, and then I'm going to go ahead and set it also with that MAC powder. Now I'm going to go in with my electric palette. This is from Urban Decay, and I'm going to place that pink shade in my inner half of my crease, and then I'm going to go in with this light purple shade and place that in the middle of my crease area, and then after that I'm going to go in with that darker purple and I'm going to place that on the outer part of my crease, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend that all together. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease using my Shape Tape concealer. Now it is time for the star of the show. I'm going to be using these Mayo Makeup Pigments. Like I said, it comes with 10 different ones, and I think I used 6 for this look. So I'm going in with this electric yellow first. And please forgive me, I didn't realize until after filming that some of this was kind of cut off on camera, so I tried to get as much as I could, but y'all will kind of get the gist of what I'm doing. So I'm just putting this in the first inner third of the next creased area, and then I'm going to go in with this bright orange, I think it's the ultra bright orange, and place this in the middle, and then afterwards I'm going to place the darker orange on the outer crease as well. I'm also going to go in and do the same thing with 3 different colors under the crease that I just created. So I'm just using that blue, I'm going to be using the bright green shade, and I'm also going to be using the purple shade to place on the third, I guess, crease that I created. In that last crease, I went ahead and put my NYX glitter primer on. So now I'm using this gold glitter, and I'm just going to place this all on the rest of my lid where I made, I guess you could say, that 4th cut crease. I went ahead and did my second eye off camera because, honey, it took me about 3 hours to do this look. Now I'm going to go in with my Mario Badescu spray and spray all on my face. And I'm going to go ahead and prep for my highlight. This is from Artist Couture. It is the Gold Digger highlight. And honey, this stuff is bomb. Like, oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing. So I'm just going to place this on my cheekbones. And of course, I'm going to highlight my nose and my forehead and anywhere else that I can glow, because y'all know I love to glow. I had to go ahead and let my hair down for this one. So I'm going to use 2 of the different NYX Liquid Suede liquid lipsticks. I'm going to place this darker blue on the outer perimeter, I guess, of my lips, and then on the inner part of my lip, I'm going to be using this lighter blue to create an ombre. And this, honey, is the completed look. I hope you all enjoyed this. Please make sure again to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. I love you all so much. Bye.